animated data structure simulator in which we are showing all the concept of data structure through animation. This is basically the concept of e-learning. Our project is desktop application in which we are showing the concept like sorting, searching, linked list, array and graphs. In this project, the student, when the student get boredom, when they studied books so much, then this project helps them to implement it on their studies.
Bubble sorting and all these products are becoming up poor, and maybe the students are getting afraid of reading bubble sorting and all that and learn the algorithm and just giving to the paper. But in this, we are with the help of GUI, we can help them. They can easily learn the bubble sorting and searching by GUI, that is graphical user interface.
This project, the books which shows the examples in the image format in figures. We arrange that images in the animated form to give you the sorting example in a GUI interface.
All the concepts like trees also can be given by in the form of graphics, which is not shown in the C programming. We are showing these kind of programmings, all kinds of trees, graphs in this project, in this application.
It is a desktop application. In this whole one software, we can just do bubble sort insertions, and we can. It is the best part of this that it is a basic time-saving process. So this is the animator data structure.
And in this this is the project which we are showing very farly on the our high-tech website
www.hiit.org.
My project today is high-tech Android application. In this new age world, when everyone is using the internet on their cell phones and no one is going on the laptop and computers, why do we need a website when we can have a college app which can tell you everything about the college? Everything that we want to know about our college is right now in our app. We made this Android app for Android OS, which is currently the biggest mobile operating system, and in a few years everyone will be having their only Android application. So my Android app that we have provides us all the information that we need of our college, and it can in the future that we are planning that it can automate all the work, all our college work like form filling and admission and everything. One main feature about this application is that navigation. In this application, we have provided the function of navigation. Let's say we are anywhere in Delhi, NCR, or anywhere in India, and we don't know the location of High Tech Institute of Engineering and Technology. This app will take our location, extract our location using GPS, and it will then tell us how to reach, how can we reach to High Tech Institute of Engineering and Technology. This feature can be accessed through Google Maps. In the future, we are planning to have Facebook integration in this application, and the application will be synced with the college website so that the students are notified about each and every event that is going to happen and they don't miss anything. The main vision behind this application is all the students can be connected, they won't miss anything about college, and they'll know each and everything about their college.